Trinidad.
On the beach.
It is the most gorgeous little town. We thought it seemed like it had cool vibes yesterday when we went for dinner, but this morning we came to a little restaurant called Seascape that's right on the water. Had the most enormous breakfast. 2 pancakes, literally bigger than my face. A massive plate of potatoes and an egg.
Like the crab omelette. Finally tried some crab.
Casual $20 omelette over here. It's all good though. Crab is like, I guess, the speciality of the region, so it's fine. How was it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah?
So good.
Now we're just having a little walk on the beach before we get on the road and head down to Mendocino. The windiest road ever.
Made it.
And we were rewarded with this.
So we made it to Mendocino. We've arrived at Heritage House.
It's insanely gorgeous.
Need to do a little room tour, I think.
Beautiful, yes.
So this is the sofa. To look at the view out the window.
Step out into our terrace.
Not a bad view. Back inside, have the massive bed and look at the state of this bathroom.
So even a phone in the toilet in case you need room service.
Bathroom phone.
Wow.
standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name.
Good morning. It's our last morning on the road. We woke up in Mendocino in our beautiful hotel room. We got room service breakfast. We ate it overlooking the ocean, and now we've just come down for a little walk around the resort.
The gazebo.
Before we head out, the journey today is going to be a little bit longer than we thought.
Taking the winding coastal road, which we didn't factor into our
taking the one.
timings.
So we're going to head off shortly to try and beat rush hour traffic into San Francisco if we can, and also to catch some more gorgeous views along the coast.
Look forward to it. We should be going over the Golden Gate Bridge into San Francisco.
Woohoo!
Very excited about that. Yeah, I imagine it'll probably take us a lot more than the
Yeah, because we're going to be
4 hours,
stopping every
45.
5 seconds. You can already tell.
With my eyes on the wall, you were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
Just had a quick stop off in Wallala. Had some pie. Filled up the car with gas. Just walking off said pie.
We're on a little trail, I think, maybe down to the beach, but we're not really sure.
So you just go and try and get to the whale watch point. The elusive whales.
Oh, this way.
There's two paths. Let's go this way.
Okay.